So this is the question for the minimum cost of ropes. We are given with an array containing the lengths of the different ropes. Now we need to connect all of these ropes to form one rope. The cost to connect two ropes is equal to the sum of their lengths. The task is to connect the ropes with the minimum cost. We need to basically focus on this, that we need to calculate the minimum cost. So for example, this is the given array. Let it be 4, 3, 2, and 6. These represents the length of the ropes. Now we need to connect all of them to form one rope. So how should we connect them? For example, if we try to connect the length of rope, the rope of length 4 and the rope of length 6, so then we will get 10, and then we will connect 10 and 3, then we will get 13, and then we will connect 13 and 2, and finally we will connect 13 and 2, and then that will be 15. So in this way we can get the length or the cost to be 10 plus 13 plus 15, that will be 38. This is one way of connecting these ropes, but we need to calculate the minimum cost. So for this we will use this approach, that first of all we will try to find the least numbers in these array. So this will be 2 and 3, so we will add 2 and 3, then we will get 5. Now we have a rope of length 5 and a rope of length 4, so we will add them, then we will get 9, then we will add 9 with 6, and then we will get 15. Now these are the basically cost of arrays, and then we will add them to get the total cost of the of forming this rope, that will be 29. So if you will calculate all other possibilities, then you will find out that this is the minimum cost that can be generated using these arrays. Okay. So now we can see that we have some approach here, that we are basically trying to get the minimum numbers or the least positive numbers here in the first go, and then we will gradually move to the larger numbers. So I think that one data structures does the same for me, that is priority queue. So if we will create a priority queue and insert all the elements in this, for example, this priority queue has 4, 3, 2, and 6. So if I will poll this priority queue, then what will be the first element that I will be getting? That will be 2. Okay, this is a minimum priority queue. Then I will get 3. So I will basically poll the two elements. Okay, and then I will add them. Now whatever will be my result, for example, this in this case I am getting 5, so now I will push that again to my priority queue. So 2 and 3 are not there now, but we have 4, 5, and 6. Now again I will pop out the minimum two elements. Okay, so that will be now let me choose this color. Okay, so now the minimum two elements that we will be getting will be 4 and 5. Now we will add them, the result will be 9. So we will add back the ninth element into this priority queue. In the similar way, we will get 15 here, and then we will add all the elements remaining in this priority queue. That will be and that will give us the sum. That will be our minimum cost. So the problem, here's the solution. We are calculating the length of the given array because it's not given to us. Then we will generate a priority queue, and we will store all the array elements into our priority queue, this using this simple for loop. Now we need to give the sum back, so we will create a variable named sum, and that will be in long format because we are given a long array. Now we will try a loop whenever the length of this priority queue will be greater than 1. Okay, because we need to calculate the final sum. So now first we will pull out the smallest element, that will be f, then the second smallest element, that will be s, then we will add them and store them in the variable current, and then we will uh, add our sum to the current, or we can say that we can add our current to the sum to calculate the final sum, and we will again put back our current sum into the priority queue, and we will repeat the same process until the size of the priority queue is greater than is equal to 1, and then at the end we will return our sum. This is the approach of this problem. I hope it's clear.